As long as Connie it's okay. It's okay. As long as shout out to Emza one time. Shout out to MEK one time, chat. Shout out to MEK one time. Chat! Okay. Lela xesha ne. Lela xesha. Kuningi okwenzekayo, chat. There's a lot going on. Yeah. There's also some few clarities ekufuneka zenziwe man chat. And yes, after the summers zininzi into ethethekayo bafethu. After the summers, I think 021 Mag posted I think 021 Mag posted a picture of Inkosi Amandebele noMachasa. Right? I think bikufera loo nto leyo. Let's check out Facebook. Yeah. Okay, now I know what it was. 021 Mag posted this picture kaMachasa said, yo, where's the recognition? Akuthethwa nothethwa ngathi kwi-summers. Cool. Ingabe namsebenzi. Vela abahlali ke ngoku. The only time people are gonna come through, the only time abantu uzababona ngayo, i-comment edinga i-negative comments ziyagcwala bhuti. Makunconywe akho mntu uvelayo, but xa kugxekwa abahlali bagcwala kangaka. Bafethu umsebenzi we-bloggers, umsebenzi wezi pages is to promote iXhosa Wave. Whether it's facts or it's what, the whole point is to have say the country needs to. Okay, let me just. Okay. The whole point of as pages, bafethu, let me just put you on. The whole point of as pages, as bloggers, into ezinati, is to promote iXhosa Wave. Whether it's facts, whether nibona ngathi umsebenzi wabo lo bowenzile amajita was not enough, it's okay. Tina, we know, we are aware, by except there's a lot that needs to be done. But within that a lot, we need to keep talking about the artists zethu. Yabo? There's a lot that needs to be done, but ke ngoku a lot lena includes even if you guys feel like aba deserve to be there, we need to have that conversation. Sithi thina mabe pha siba force. We need to force these conversations. You understand what I'm saying? Whether they deserve it or not, it is our duty as the fans, it is our duty as the bloggers, it is our duty to promote the Xhosa Wave. Siyipushele phambili with facts, without facts. There's a lot of people abawina izinto bengazideserve. uCardi B ucula ngempundu, but she has a Grammy. You get what I mean? So akho need ubani besithi hayi abadeserve, hayi bacuba ubhanxa, hayi bathentene. Let's say uMachasa nezichomi zakhe ngibonile ipost, I think it was Luvo. Let's say uMachasa neNkosi Amandebele and the whole crew bave bayeke baphume ecaleni. What are we gonna have? Nizawucula ngokwenu. What are we gonna have now as a culture, iXhosa Wave? What are we gonna have? Uyabo? Abantu who are always about, it's a world of content right now. Ninengxaki ne-content. Ngonithi zi-content creators ninengxaki ne-content. It's a world of content. Benike nadibana no-Mr. Pizzo a few months ago esithi akho ndawo angayihambanga eJozi. Niyababona abantwana bahamba phambi kwethu bayazikhwelela ibhasi eCape Town bayivloge lo way majita siyibone the process that they need to go through. Siyibukele how difficult this thing is. It's a bunch of kids majita. It's a bunch of kids bazile eJozi. Nothing, abana mali, abana ntoni, nobody is supporting them. But xa kuthiwa makugxekwe nithi baqala. These are children doing what they can do best. Content creation is the thing right now. Nifuna bathini? So umbona umuntu ekuse ukumjita besanothethiwe sithi ntwathi ngathangani. Ndiye ku timeline yakhe akathethi nothetha ngeartist. The first time ethetha ngento enokwenza neXhosa Wave xa ufuneka egxekile. Uniyenzela ntoni loo nto leyo? And I'm sure Mr. P uthi zangu akho ndawo Pizzo zangayihambe eJozi. Ayikho indawo zangayihambe eJozi. Nowhere azangoyihambe. Imagine if ever wayeyivloge yonke la way siyibone live. But the only thing that we need to do right now, whether it's true or not, whether it's facts or not, we need to keep talking about iXhosa wave. Whether you believe about Deserve, whether you believe it or not, the whole point of talking about them is to push them forward. There's a lot that needs to be done, and a lot includes us saying they have to be in the summers. While we are very aware, but they still have a lot of work to do. We are aware of these things as Pambenanga. We are not delusional. We are aware by game injani. We are aware by the system. We know how it works. Talk about our people ngendlela right. Xa kwanina asiphikiswe ngabantu basePitori, tsiba ningaqala ba suka. Siwork as mag. Tsiba ningaqala. Look at the genre that shit came through right now. It's Pretoria. That genre, yes, a Pretoria only. La genre. But look at what it's doing right now. Yes, a Pretoria. Because obviously, they started a language. Forever. Oh, Spitori. Landwanu amari le streamayo. Spitori. Why? Yade la pop. Ilimpombo created their own genre. Ilikombo yade angena. Because akomnu uzophikisa omnye. They are living that culture, bra. Ilimpombo o shebe shit. Whoa. Kuphilwa kanjalo pha, kuphilwa la way until you blow out of Limpopo. But thina into efuneka senzile thina. The minute sithi uMaxasa deserves to be in the summers. Akuphikisi bantu besummers, ukuphikisa kwathina. For ntoni? Sizawugena ntoni ngophikisa? Uba singavele ukuthi gqo umuntu oyi-1 othi uMaxasa deserves to be in the summers. Hey baba, we are going to say fanele sonke sithi ewe kunjalo. Akho sayiluza bafethu by ungaphikisi. There's nothing we're going to lose. Because if ever, look, what I'm saying is there's no need for us siphikisane wasodwa. Pretoria has Pitori. They blew out of Pretoria la genre la majita repa ngeSpitori. They blew out because bebebambisene. iLimpopo has iLikompo oshebe shit. Babeyenza kudala beyenza le way it blew up into the national. Yabo? Because bayenze bade banatsike. Kodwa nakutheni sifuna siphikisane. Xa sinovele sithi uMaxasa sonke, sivele sonke. Andithi it's facts. Akunyanzelanga be facts. We are trying to say the country to have a conversation about the iXhosa wave. That's the whole point. It doesn't matter about you believe it or not. Sivele sithi sonke, uMaxasa deserves sonke. Sonke singumXhosa. Sonke. Sithi ewe. Tell me if ever the system wouldn't shake. The system would shake. The system is already corrupt. It's unfair. But there's no need for us to be besitsala-tsalana ngento engekhoyo. There's nothing we're going to lose if we're going to say. In fact, it's if uMaxasa one, okanye inkosi yamaNdebele, okanye whoever, one gets recognized, sonke we're going to be recognized. They're going to look at our direction. Ngomntu oyi-1. We're going to get recognized. Sonke. Now, as an artist, it deserves to be there, singekho work for wena. That's when they go. One person, only one person, if they get there. Gogo imnandi le nto bayise in order for us in order for us to be there, funeka kube kumuntu ozobhubha. We had to lose Bravo Leroux and Briley in order for us to be in the summers. Yintoni igama laloo nto? Bras. There is absolutely no need for this rubbish. Lo mtsala-tsalwana, bra.
I really didn't mean it. I'm sorry if it sounded like rude, but I didn't mean it in a rude way. I'm sorry. I'm just asking when are you going? Like, because I went out to bring it to town because I'm working now, so I can get it in town now.
Except, dog, I work long hours. I told you, yeah. Well, the only time and free time, I'm literally not really thinking about the hook path 24/7, yeah. Well, and I told you, if you're around there, you can go and fetch it there. Yabo, ikhona iwe yakho pha. Yabo, all the flavors, everything is still there intact. But now you're making it as if him who took it from you, this thing, but you are the one who left it there. You get what I'm saying? You are the one who just left in the middle of the night. Just left. You left it there. Yeah, you get what I'm saying? But Gogo, like when you say it like this, but when are you gonna just as if bruh, I have nothing else to do but just to deliver your hookah. I don't think that's fair, dog. I don't think that's how you're supposed to say it. Yeah, well, on God, that really kind of hurt my feelings, dog. Like that sounded rude as fuck, bro. Cool. But yeah, man, I'm like, so many hate, bruh. Like 021 Meg posted that thing, and the comments, bruh, and the comments. If ever makes it to a bruh, like makuvotwe, beningazuvota. Because the good part of everything, the good, aniko right, mashita. Lamjita luvo vele wathi intondoni nechomi zakhe. Imagine if lamajita ngavela yeke. Singabuyela kugqomo. Because before lamajita enze yonke lo bhazabhaza lewe yenzayo, besimamela igqomo because kaloku thina singabo asizazi basifuna ntoni. Besimamela igqomo kaloku before le era lamajita. Before these niggas came through. Besimamela igqomo sonke apha eKapa for some reason. Besingana hip hop to that point. Kwafika uBoot Legend, Flash umkano Bravo Lero, kwakhona hip hop ivelayo. Then nifuna lamajita betha ngala system. Bravo Leroux was never wangekho kwisamazi, but he was not doing content, he was just doing music. Flash went that far. Boot Legend Galamajita who introduced Bravo Leroux, Diko Wala, Salty Jani, Laku. He grab Majita wayibuyisayo this thing. Then uMaxasa, they took it from there. Only nengxaki na still. It's bafethu before the era libeqale of Flash, ne, they are the ones who bought it back. Besimamela igqomo kaloku thina makapa, besimamela igqomo, besibhizi ngobhiza bethu thina. Vele hip hop ngoko sithi abantu mabaye kwi awards nithi hayi baweka badize kutsho kwathina. Kukho ilikompo, kukho izipitori ngoyizivelileyo and actually went national. Zawufika umamela ushebe shit wena somewhere because amajita ayipusha lewe. Fana ndithi sonke if ever kuvelo yi-1 othi uMaxasa makaye kuSummers, fanba sonke sitsho. Doesn't matter if you believe it or not. Kumxhosa fondini bambebe pha get pha. Blogger, as bloggers, like I'm saying, as bloggers, we don't care about facts, Buffett. We don't care about facts. As pages, Xhosa Wave, 021 Mag, Spaza, Ndondoni, Songa's page. We don't care about facts anymore. We want these people to notice us. We just want to be seen. We want these people to look in our direction. Xa kwanina sithi sizamubheka phambili niphinde nibutsalela nge-opinions zenu ezipapa. Akho need banithi work uMaxasa xa sithetha ngeSummers. Xa sihleli sonke, okay cool. Xa sihleli sonke. Xa sihleli sonke apha endlini, like sithetha nge-artists, singatsho sikuwork. Uthi uyotsho ku-internet, uthi wenza ividiyo, bawork lamajita. Kutsho kwathina. Look at the Zulu Brews, bruh, like the Durban Brews. Look at la ngoma ethi Lapisa. Nadlanganeza inkabi zami. When they made a music video, amajita ombhaqanga, yinto lelo, amajita eMaskandi. They came through. Bazokwenza ivideo nabo. Amajita eMaskandi eze azokwenza music video nalamajita hip hop because hlangana Zulu. Lamajita for sure awakhathali uba ayayazi le hip hop okanye impi okanye imnandi. It's Zulu niggas, we are there. Zulu niggas, we are there. Kukho amajita angayimameli noyimameli hip hop pha kula music video, but they were there because seyinsizwe zakithi ezi regardless. You are nino. Nide nenze a whole video nisithi bawork. Hayi bafethu. Bafethu. No. 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 Stop it. No. No. Stop it. No. Stop it. Stop it. I'm telling you now. Stop it. Speaking of umachasa. Speaking of Gafi inja yami leyo.
Ufuna imali ekhayifuna tatako. Awungonguwe behlala ehlalani. Niggas no do that sihloniphanani. Khabe sisidudla. Khabe sisidudla bence ishanani.
April bafethu. That April young. Hi. Yo, I need. Oh my God. Nah, April young bafethu. April young. There is absolutely no need for that. But God, hi. Oof. Boy. Oh.
Lisanani, ithathe ndike, vula ikhampani, andifutha ndiqonda uba umthontanam, futhi nam futhi ekhanam. Careful yahleka utatam. Ndombethe ndisele imali yam. Yayingakhethi inja yam. Yaphantsi ufele enyaleni. Yaphantsi ubulala inaleni. Yakhupha iplayi ebaleni. Chaza ngokalenda yakho. Ndiwa yimaneta yam. That's right, okay. Fika I'm not changing indawo. Fika I'm not chasing indawo.
Hayi bafethu hayi. Nifuna sisawune njengabani kani? Nifuna kuthini mazita? Nifuna sisawune njengabanye abantu kuze niyibhilive ba excel way irongo bafethu lewe. Irongo lewe yenziwa ngalamazita. Irongo. These are just kids in their 20s, bruh. Lamazita. Doing this thing live in front of our eyes. And the vlogs. Akhona ngayenzela lamazita. And I wanna support lamazita. When uhleli pha wenza into ongayithandiyo with your 9 to 5. Xa ufuna uphuma uye emsebenzini uyadikwa xa ufuna uphangela. Then ubuye ucofa ifone but you are work lamazita. That's the only thing. And you right lonto leyo wena. Uright ungasiyomamela uringo nje. Efundini. Because there's no need but you take time out of your life to go and hate. You bruh, come on bras. Out of your life, uthatha ixesha, out of your miserable life, uthatha ixesha wena. You go and hate one of your own. Soze ndibone yakhe comment kwezi sounds zasePitori, kwezi sounds zaseLimpopo, kwezinye sound mayibe ngomnye wethu. Come on bras, do better. Phina uvuke ekseni ngomso uye emsebenzini ongawuthandiyo because kutoxic lo ispan sakho. Masiyanga kutoxic emsebenzini wakho. Ndiyalona. Ubuye late. Xa ufika iyomachasa ukhuphe esinye snippet. Le ntwana. Yo. Come on bras. Do better, bras. You. Kuze kuthini? Hayi. Yo. Le make fethu. Niphanuna late. Haze ngashintsha indawo. Wait indawo. Benike nathenga konke benze ngelink. Onemshiya ngemva. Imbilini. Let me check it out. I'm gonna check it out. Check it out, Imbilini. Let me see this, bro. Let me check it out. It's on YouTube. Wabo ikaphumi. Yanhlanyela wena. Yanhlanyela nga. Hayi. Yeah, I'm not. I live na. before manje ni-hate, before ni-hate, sisuka kwisiphaza, an era, amabhuteri esiphaza, akhona ngayizamanga. People died for this shit. People died for kwa i-hip hop yakhe yathula yathi cwaka. Njengabantu ke abangenamqolo, Maxhosa, amaKapa and Eastern Cape, satshintsha izinto, sajika sakumamela igqom because asinamqolo. Ngoku abantwana abancinci in their 20s, nothing behind them, bayazenzela. Benza vlogs for us to see by say they are doing this thing in real life. Yabo. Xa sithi ekuse baya deserve uba kwi-summers, it doesn't matter if they deserve it or not. If ever singathi sonke ubani inkosi yamaNdebele deserves to be in the summers, vele sitsho ngelizwe linye sonke, soze bangashake, soze bangagunqa. If ngasho sonke, whether you believe it or not, ngumntako wenu, if ever ngumXhosa qha, whether you believe it or not, the same way ilikompo became a genre eSouth Africa, the same way iSpitori became a thing eSouth Africa. La sound masingaphikisani kwasodwa bras, masingayenzi loo nto leyo. If ever singathi sonke ngelizwe linye, whether we believe it or not, naba ke ngoku badeservayo bazoba recognized. Ayikho right into yoba ikuse thina kuze siricorize kwi-summers funeka ubhubhe umntu, RIP Bravo Leroux and Briley. In order for us to be in the summers, makusweleke kuqala. And then xa sisithi inkosi yamaNdebele namachasa deserve to be there, bekhona nixhumayo niyothatha iifowuni zenu, ayikho loo nto leyo, yeyiphi ekhoyo. Whether ikhona or ayikho braz, into endiyithethayo, masithi ikhona ngokhoyo. Ii-awards zange za right, zi-corrupt kakhulu ii-awards. Kutheni ngoku khona zawukhangela i-fairness? Makuthethwe ngathi, into ebalulekileyo makuthethwe ngathi. Noba kuthweni makuthethwe ngathi. Mayingabikwa sithi abazitsalela umva braz. Kudala siyenza le way, kudala siyilwa le way. Xhosa wave is very up right now. Qha ifuna thina ke ngoku to push. Neva manene. Uthi umdala kangaka uyonantsika ude ha. Andizuyazi ukuthini uzandibiza baby yo. Andizuyazi ukuthini ndizawubizwa